Welcome to our perspective. Here's a breaking news. Yes, paleontologists from China and Brazil have identified a new species of Canogo petrate Pterosaur from two specimens, one of which is the most complete and well preserved Cangolpetrate recorded to date. The new Pterosaur species lived in what is now China during the early Cretaceous epoch between 125 and 113 million years ago. The flying reptile belongs to Caeoangopetridae, a family of medium-sized and high-crested pterosaurs mostly known from Asia. Dubbed mellifluing Yuhao, the species was part of the Zeol biota, a terrestrial and freshwater ecosystem preserved in a multi-layered rock formation in northeastern China. Pterosaurs comprise an important and enigmatic group of Mesozoic flying reptiles that first evolved active flight among vertebrates and have filled all aerial environmental niches for almost 160 million years, said Dr. Xiao Lin Wang from the Institute of Vertebrate Paleontology and Paleoanthropology at the Chinese Academy of Sciences and Colleges. Despite being a totally extinct group, they have achieved a wide diversity of forms in a window of time spanning from the late Triassic to the end of the Cretaceous period. Notwithstanding being found on every continent, China stands out by furnishing several new specimens that reveal not only different species but also enter new clades such as a Daracoid, Caeoyangopetridae. Cretaceous group of medium-sized and high-crested pterosaurs is particularly well known in the Zeol biota, which includes Caenogopetrus zhangi. At the time of description of the only preserved posterior region of a skull of a Caenogopetroid, which made clear that those toothless pterosaurs formed a new clade. The fossilized remains of two individuals of Mellifluong Yuhao were found in the Jiufotang Formation at Huludao city in the Chinese province of Liaoning. The holotype is particularly well preserved and represents an individual that had a maximized wingspan of about 2.16 meter, the paleontologist said. It consists of essentially all bones except for most of the tail, making it the most complete, well-preserved skeleton of a Caeoangopetriad recovered so far. The referred specimen is composed solely by the pre-maxillary and the anterior portion of the palatines and represents a smaller individual. The size of Mellifluong Yuhao is basically the same as Mellifluong Sanaya's wingspan of 2.18 meter and along with other features suggests that they represent distinct species of the same genus. This new species provides several novel information regarding these rather enigmatic flying reptiles, including data on the palatal region, the researcher said. Furthermore, it shows the stapes preserved in places which is a rare occurrence within pterosaurs. The team's paper was published December 21st, 2023 in the journal Scientific Report. Beyond the report.